This is the case of Truncus arteriosus type 4. Only one vessel is coming out of both ventricle. Previously we call it Truncus arteriosus. Even now we call it Truncus arteriosus, but in Truncus arteriosus type 4, what happens? Pulmonary artery arises from descending aorta through collateral, usually through collateral. So it is not coming from truncus, it is coming from descending aorta. So previously we call it truncus arteriosus only because only one structure is coming from both ventricle, that is we call truncus arteriosus. Now you can see this is truncus arteriosus. Left atrium, left ventricle dilated. This is flow through truncus, blue in color. You can see again the truncus. Now you can see through collateral. This is where the collateral is coming from descending aorta and supplying the pulmonary artery. Though pulmonary artery are hypoplastic in nature, and that is getting blood from descending aorta through collateral, or you can say patent ductus arteriosus also. Again you see the same thing. This is descending aorta and this is collateral, that is giving supply to the pulmonary artery. This is right pulmonary artery. You can see the flow is quite turbulent. Flow is quite turbulent. Same thing. You can easily see here the descending aorta through collateral into main pulmonary artery, then right pulmonary artery. Flow, or you can say the flow is turbulent, mosaic color, mixed color pattern indicating raised velocity across this part. So hypoplastic pulmonary arteries. So ultimately pulmonary circulation is coming from descending aorta through collateral, or PDA you say. So this type of truncus is called type 4 truncus. Sometimes recent classification says this is a kind of, you say this is the norm truncus, we can call it aortic arch, and then the descending aorta is giving supply to, this is main pulmonary artery through PDA. Previous classification wise, this is type 4 truncus. In case of 1, 2 or 3 truncus, what happens? Pulmonary artery comes directly from a truncus. So if main pulmonary artery is present, then type 1 truncus arteriosus. If main pulmonary artery is not present, both pulmonary artery arise from truncus, they're very close to each other, they're touching each other, then they're type 2 truncus. The both pulmonary artery arises from truncus, but they're away from one another, then that is type 3 truncus. Main pulmonary artery does not arise from truncus, but it's coming through collateral, then it's type 4 truncus arteriosus. So this case has got type 4 truncus arteriosus. You can see this is collateral, then this is main pulmonary getting blood. You see the mixed blood flow, mixed color indicating raised velocity, indicating a small in size. So ultimately hypoplastic pulmonary artery and its branches. So this is type 4 truncus arteriosus. Right atrium, so left atrium, left ventricle dilated in this case. So you try to find out pulmonary artery If only one vessel is coming out of both ventricle, that we call truncus. Then try to localize pulmonary artery. How a pulmonary artery comes, how it branches, ultimately will give you the typing of truncus arteriosus. If both pulmonary artery along with main pulmonary artery come from truncus type 1, no main pulmonary artery, both pulmonary artery come from truncus at that type 2 truncus. Both pulmonary artery coming from truncus but from different place, different sides, then directly with truncus, then that will be type 3 truncus. No pulmonary artery is coming directly from truncus but is coming from collateral, getting supply through collateral, that is type 4 truncus. This is the type 4 truncus arteriosus. Thank you.